coming to you from Medicine Lodge at the Wildfire Ranch. I'm going to take you on a virtual walkthrough today to get you an idea of things you just don't see in the pictures and give you a chance to look in the inside of the bunkhouse, see the awesome views from the back side and the front side, and our bunkhouse and the cabin. So let's go ahead and get started. So walking up, you'll see there's a porch that does wrap around to the whole back side of the property and has a 2-car garage, which is an oversized garage, fits suburban and everything inside with a workbench as well. You've got your covered front porch, and then let me just pause for a minute so you can kind of see from the front what your view is. It's a beautiful spring day. Everything's really starting to green up. It's one of the reasons I decided to come today. So a nice setting area here. So let's go ahead and step inside. So when you walk in, see it's done in a ranch motif. Over to your right, you've got a nice coat closet for extra storage. As you move over to this direction, you have a great, what I call a good country-sized kitchen. Has an eat-up bar and then plenty of space for a big table as well. Let's move along and kind of show you over here. We've got a full-size pantry. Kind of see all the storage space you have there as well. You can set or stand and do your dishes and look out at that magnificent view as well. You've got the bread box, oven, microwave. Here's your view this way. Lots of great windows so you can see out there and see all the open wide spaces. Moving along here, you've got we have a nice little setting area as well. Moving into the living area, got it set up with TV, a couple chairs, and as you can see, it has that wide, high ceilings. Move along for you down the hall. Upstairs, we've got a full bath off the hall. Great linen space for you. You'll notice the hallways are extra wide, which is great for wheelchairs or just having that extra space. Here's one of our bedrooms that's on the upper level. And you can see it has a great view out space and a couple guys checking out the views. It's also got the wooden ceiling. Moving into the master. The master is massive. Has a full king-size bed with plenty of extra space. So, and there's a front window as well. Trying to get you a good view of everything. Now the house currently is carpeted, but I think it would look wonderful with hardwood floors put in. Over here to this side, you've got 2 closets. In her and give you an idea of the view. They're not a walk-in, they're just they're double-sided. Moving into the master bathroom, that has a large size shower. And get you a good view of everything. And this area is all tiled. The other room upstairs is the office / laundry room. It's a large office. They put it to use a lot. You have enough space to have 2 nice sized desks. And over here you have a sink with they have a freezer that would stay. And you have your washer and dryer section over here as well. And this whole room is tiled. So a lot of extra space, another doorway to get out, and that view again. So let's make our way down to the basement so you can see there's another full size bedroom. You'll see it's a massive size bedroom because you can actually fit 2 queen beds in it. And then a non-conforming bedroom as well that I'll show you. But I just want to give you another quick view of that. And then we'll take a look out from the deck in just a moment. So heading down the steps. This is a great family room, game room, entertainment room. And then over to your right, you've got, it could be an office, it could be a pool table, would look wonderful in here. We call this the poker room with the dogs playing poker. And this could be whitewashed as well, which would look amazing. But I like that rustic charm living out here in the country with the pine wood. There's kind of a view from, even the basement has wonderful views because it is a view out and a walkout. So over here is the non-conforming bedroom I was mentioning. It doesn't have the exit, so they can't technically classify it as bedroom, but it gives you an idea of the additional space that you would have in this room. And there's 2 additional closets in here as well. Moving on back through. Down here you have another full bathroom. Nice size, large bath. Sink. Another nice size linen closet. And it has the full shower as well. Make our way over to the bedrooms downstairs. As I mentioned, ample size. It's got 3 closets. There again, your wonderful view out. And this is carpeted with a lower type carpet that is really well maintained. And then you have the 2 beds as well. Now they currently use this space for when they have additional guests that are full over at the bunkhouse or the cabin, and they can have guests stay down here as well. But it would make a great bedroom for anybody. So let's make our way back outside. I can take you out here first, and then we'll go upstairs to the wraparound. One of the pretty things on the property is they put in this large gazebo. They've actually done a couple of concerts, events out here with folks around that are into the Western music and poetry. So you've got a nice covered patio out here as well. With plenty of extra space. And kind of just do another panoramic view for you. All the serenity. And let me walk over to that gazebo. It is an extra large gazebo. So I could picture having events out here, picnics, even a concert, or it'd be a great wedding venue as well. Yeah, you've got seating all the way around. You got that great custom-made fence gate. And over to our left over here is the bunkhouse, which I'll tour in just a little bit. dog run. Might give it a couple extra stars in this video. We got Molly the dog that's running around, and that is where she likes to hang out. This is our view from the upper deck. Comes off of the living. This right is off of the office. There's Miss Molly. Great place to hang out in the shade. You go around to the side as well. So as I was mentioning, this wraps around all the way to the front of the property as well. So with that, I'm going to stop this video and I'll create a new video for the bunkhouse and the cabin here shortly. Thanks.